Properties of matter, this is the third part. Okay, the application of thermal expansion. The example of thermal expansion of solid in our daily life, lying on the railway tracks, small gaps left between the adjoint rail to prevent the line from the buckling, even the breaking due to the change of the temperature. Okay, the gap R should be like this: delta L equals to L into alpha delta T. Like this form, this gap is given. This gap, I am telling like this gap. Okay, this gap. Okay, and this is the oval shape of the ball. The gap are left along the length of the comments roll of the alloy the expansion of during the summer. Okay, this is the example. Like this, cold day and this is the hot day. The power line sag more on the hot days. এই যে পাওয়ার লাইনটা কি হয় দেখবে যখন তোমাদের পাওয়ার লাইন, এটা যেটা ইলেকট্রিসিটি পাওয়ার লাইন, কোল্ড ডেতে এমন হয় যখন হট ডে যখন রোদ্দুরের সময় এটা এক্সটেন্ড করে এরকমটা লেন্থ হয়ে যায়, স্লাইটলি লঙ্গার. The wire between the electric poles is loosely stressed and expansion like this. Okay, when the hot water is taken in a glass chamber, it's break due to the uneven expansion. When the cold water is drop fall on the hot water chimney, it's break due to the oven contraction. Okay, railway track gap is left allow to the expansion of summer is an example of linear expansion. This is the linear expansion. Okay, the silicon glass is used for making the bulb of thermometer because they are dash linear expansion, low linear expansion coefficients. Okay, the bimetallic strip consists of two strips made of two different metal and different coefficient of expansion. Okay, this works on the principle of different metal expansion differently of the same size of temperature, same range of temperature. Okay, like this is brass and this is the iron. Next one, bimetallic strips and the selling strips. Okay, এটাকে হিট করার পরে আফটার দিস হিট করার পরে এটা এমন ফেনোমেনা করছে. Bimetallic strip is made of the riveting two metal strips, and unusual one of this brass is other is steel. Next, uses for continuous recording of temperature. As a thermostat of control the temperature of a body in a refrigerator or iron box. As a fire alarm. Okay, this is battery, this is the alarm bell, and bimetallic strip is like this. যখন গরম হয়ে যায় তখন এটাকে এক্সপেনশন হয়ে যায় এবং এখানে ব্যাটারি দিয়ে কানেক্ট হয়ে যায় এবং এখানে অ্যালার্ম বেলটা বাজতে থাকে. Okay, steel and brass, room temperature, steel and the higher temperature. Okay, when the bimetallic strip is heated, brass metal is more than the steel, so the bimetallic steel bend with the brass on the outer side. When the bimetallic strip is cold, the brass contracts more than the steel, so the bimetallic strips bend with the brass on the inner side. Okay, like this. This is the high temperature and low temperature এমন phenomenon ঘটে. ঠিক আছে, measuring the types. The measuring types are made of the invar steel because of the low least copy. এটা কেন ইউজ করা হয়? That's for the low least specific of linear expansion. Measuring of the taps made of the metal show correct reading only at the room temperature at which they are construct. Measuring strips like this. The metallic tab is graduated at T1 temperature. If the measurement is taken at T2 temperature, then the distance between division changes due to the linear expansion of the scale. Thus, the measuring reading will be different for the correct reading. If Lm is the measuring reading of the length of the body and L0 is the correct length of the temperature of the body is L1, then it will be L0 Lm 1 plus alpha S minus alpha B. That is, there are two metals, so alpha S one specific and alpha B is another specific heat. Okay, and T2 minus T1 the temperature difference. Next one. Pendulum clock. The time period of the length is L is given by and T equals to 2 pi root under L by G. The pendulum clock generally move fast in winter and slow in summer. Why? Thus in summer the length of pendulum increase, so that the time period is increase and it takes the less number of oscillation per day. Hence the pendulum clock is slow and run fast for this. In the winter, the length of the pendulum is decreases, so that the time period decreases and it makes more number of oscillation than the required oscillation per day. Winter takes pendulum clock like this and it takes more number of oscillation in winter day as the length is decreases, and the length is increases in the summer season, and so it takes less number of oscillation. In the pendulum clock gain the faster in run phase fast. The fractional change in time period is T2 minus T1 by T, that is 1 equals to half into alpha delta T. The loss or gain in per day equals to half into alpha T into 86400 second. So it will be 43200 alpha delta T. The percentage of change of loss and gain. What is the percentage of change of loss and gain? It is a half into alpha delta T into 100. The pendulum clock are made of the inward steel because of the least coefficient of linear expansion. ওকে, এখান থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন হতে হয় পেন্ডুলাম ক্লককে কেন ইনভার্ট স্টিলে ইউজ করা হয়, কারণ লিস্ট কোফিশিয়েন্ট অফ লিনিয়ার এক্সপেনশনের জন্য। The biometric strips work on the principle of the different expansion of dash. Which one is right? It will be different metal. The measuring strip are made of the inward steel because it has the least coefficient of least. Okay, next one. The inward steel use the pendulum clocks because it's slow dash linear expansion. Thermal stress. The metal rod is rigidly fixed at its end and so as the prevent it from the expansion and contraction. When it is heated, the thermal stress is developed in the rod. The tension of the rod or thermal force F equals to YA alpha T2 minus T1. Thermal stress Y alpha T2 minus T1. Okay, thermal stress is Y into alpha T2 minus T1. What is the Young modulus of the material of the rod? Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion of the rod. T2 is T1 is the change of temperature. A is the area of the cross section of the metal. For the same range of temperature, if the same thermal stress is developed in two different rod, then we can write y1 alpha 1 equals to y2 alpha 2. Okay? If a cube of coefficient of cubical expansion is gamma is heated, then the pressure is to be applied on the prevent of the expansion is given by P equals to K gamma T2 minus T1 or P equals to 3K alpha T2 minus T1. Where K is the bulk modulus. And T2 minus T1 is the range of the temperature. Alpha is the coefficient of the linear expansion. MCQ. The thermal stress is produced when the body is not allowed for fusion. Fusion is right. It will be expansion and contraction. Second one, the thermal stress is produced in fusion, very small, very large, small for the small gap and large for the big gap. It will be small, very large. The thermal stress will not develop on length, radius, temperature of the difference, high, light, length and radius. Okay, Asta?